Okay, let's look at how we can solve this question. So pastry mix is made from 2 parts butter and 3 parts flour. Okay, so butter to flour is 2 is to 3. Okay, and the total number of parts is 5. Okay, so it is the ratio. Whenever you work with the ratios, you have to find the total number also. So butter will be 2 is to 2 over 5 and flour will be 3 over 5. Okay, and if you see the first question, it is 1 kilogram of pastry mix. So 2 over 5 times 1, that will be 0.4 kg, or that is equal to 400 gram. And the second one is 3 over 5 times 1, which is equal to 0.6 kg, or that is equal to 600 gram. Okay, this is the first question. Now moving on to the second question. Second question, Rachel has 200 grams of butter and 200 grams of butter and 400 grams of flour. Okay, so here she has this butter and she has 400 grams of flour. So 2 is to 3. So here how much she can make, how much of pastry mix she can make depends on the amount, the thing which has the less number of quantity. So here in this case butter is less, right? So we say that the limiting quantity is butter, because it is only 200 kg, I mean 200 gram. Okay, so if she take the full butter, how much flour she will require? Since the ratio is 2 is to 3, if she takes 200 gram of butter, she need to take 300 gram of flour, right? So because she has only this much of butter, so she need to take only 300 grams. So the total pastry mix will be 500 grams. Okay, now if we move on to the third one, for the third one, what are they saying? They have 1.5 kg of butter, so there is lot of butter, but she has 1125 gram of flour. Okay, so now also here we know that the ratio is 2 is to 3, but here the limiting quantity is flour, because flour is less. We don't have too much of flour. So what we have to see, how much of flour we need, how much of, okay, sorry, 1125 gram of flour is there. So how much butter she need to take? Okay, that is what we need to know. So in this case, since it is a just the proportion, you can write this as 2 over 3 is equal to question mark over 1125. Okay, because it is normal proportion. It's not inverse proportion, it's just a normal proportion. Now in this case, for to find the question mark, how will you do? You do cross multiply. So 2 times 1125 over 3, and that you will get it as 750 gram. Okay, so that is 750 gram of butter is what she need to take. So this is 750 gram. So the pastry mix will be, so this 750 gram of butter plus 1125 gram of flour, that will be the total pastry mix which she will be having. So that will be 1875 gram.